Hello friends, myself Sandeep Raste, Assistant Professor in Department of Electrical Engineering, AISSMS Institute of Information Technology, Pune. I just brief overview of basic electrical engineering. Basic of electrical concept and terms involves electrical current, electrical voltage, electrical resistance, electrical power, power efficiency. Let's see first point, electrical current. The current is the rate of flow of electric charge in electric field, usually in electrical circuit. In other way, the control movement of electron through a substance is called the electric current. Electrical current is also known as flow of free electrons. Using water pipe analogy, the electrical current as water that flow in a pipe. The current is measured in ampere. Mathematically, I is equal to dq upon dt, nothing but rate of change of charge with respect to time, where I is current in ampere, q is electrical charge in coulomb, t is the time in second. Next point, electrical voltage. Electrical voltage is defined as the potential difference between 2 points or 2 node or 2 junction of an electric field. The voltage is measured in volt. It is denoted by V. Using water pipe analogy, we can visualize the voltage as a height difference that makes the water flow done. Let at point A Q1 charge, at point B Q2 charge. The potential difference between A and B is nothing but VAB equal to Q2 minus Q1. In an electrical circuit, the electrical voltage V is equal to the energy consumption E divided by the electric charge Q. Mathematically, V is equal to E divided by Q. Next point, electrical resistance. The resistance of a material is defined as the opposition to the flow of current. The resistance is measured in ohm. It is denoted by R. Mathematically, R equal to rho into L upon A, where R is the resistance in ohm, rho is the resistivity of a material in ohm meter, L is the length of the conductor in meter, A is the cross-sectional area of the conductor in square meter. Resistors are basically classified into two, fixed resistor and variable resistance. This is fixed resistor circuit and this is variable resistor circuit. In this circuit, resistance are fixed, and in this circuit we can vary the value of resistance. As per Ohm's law, as the flow of water through a pipe is directly proportional to the effective pressure and inversely proportional to the frictional resistance, similarly current flowing through a conductor is directly proportional to the potential difference across the ends of conductor and inversely proportional to the conductor resistance at a constant temperature. Mathematically, Ohm's law, I is equal to V upon R. If value of resistance is fixed in a particular circuit, the relation between voltage and current is directly proportional. Now, let's see, in this circuit, value of resistance is variable, so relation between voltage and current we can see by using water pipe analogy. Here, if I release this tab, that means resistance decreases, flow of water, nothing but current, increases, and head of water is decreases. Second case, if I increase this resistance, so flow of water, nothing but current, is decreases and head of water gradually increases because of that inlet. It seems that the relation between voltage and current is inversely proportional to the voltage, depends on the value of variable resistance. Next point, electrical power. The electrical power P is equal to the energy consumption E divided by the consumption time T. P is equal to E upon T, where P is electrical power in watt. We can calculate electrical power P is equal to V into I. As per Ohm's law, V is equal to I into R. Therefore, there is another formula for power is P is equal to I square R. As we know, as per Ohm's law, I is equal to V upon R. Therefore, another formula for power P is equal to V square upon R. Next point, electrical power efficiency. The power efficiency is defined as the ratio of output power to the input power, and efficiency is denoted by eta equal to P eta equal to P out upon P in, and it is in percentage. Thank you.